we will discuss about the contemporary issues and innovation. So, commercialization and cultural appropriation of indigenous crafts. So, the commercialization of indigenous crafts present a duality of opportunity and threat. So, while market access provides economic, social, and cultural empowerment, so it frequently leads to cultural appropriation where designs and symbols are used without authorizations or respect. So, these commodifications often transform sacred, communally owned items into mass-produced goods, erasing their original significance and depriving indigenous communities of financial benefits. So commercializations of indigenous crafts has two sides. It can be helpful or also harmful. So, kumbaga may positive sides ang commercializations and negative sides. So, on a positive sides, selling these crafts in the market helps indigenous people earn money, improve their lives, and share their culture with others. So, commercialization is, kumbaga, siya is naghatag og panginabuhi sa mga katao nga to sustain and also share their culture to other people. So, on the other hand, it also lead to the cultural appropriation where designs and symbols are used without permission or respect. So, this can be turned meaningful and even sacred crafts into ordinary mass-produced items, so causing the loss of their true meaning and reducing the benefits of the original creators. So, in this side naman is ang negative effects sa commercialization or musod na diri ang cultural appropriation na kumbaga ang usaga butang sa mga indigenous person is kung baga gikuha sa lain nga without respect or permission nga ibaligya nila or kung baga kuhaon nila ang ilang karapatan as a owner of this indigenous